Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove the Powered by Shopify text in the footer of your website. Now if I go to my website right here, you're going to see Powered by Shopify right here. Now the fact is, when people see Powered by Shopify, it signifies unprofessionalism. So what you want to do is simply remove that. Now to remove this, it is really easy. All you need to do is go to your online store right here, go to themes, and right here, instead of going to customize, click on the three dots right here, and then click on edit code. Now, this is exactly why I love Shopify. It allows you to literally edit the code yourself. Now, to find this, you need to go to your footer. So how you're gonna do this is by searching files and typing in footer. Now, I believe it is in footer liquid. So I'm gonna click this. So once you're here, what you want to do is just select a random piece of text and then press Ctrl F at the exact same time. Delete the text that you selected down here and then type in powered and then go next. And here you go, we just found it. It says here powered by link. Now what you can do here is go to the left side and simply, I think it's 2 slashes, I think, no. Or you can select this and go control / and you've basically made this so that the program ignores this. So if you go save right here, then go to my web page right here, I can refresh, and as you can see, Powered by Shopify is gone. And that's how to remove Powered by Shopify in your Shopify store. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.